Renishaw, we recognise the need to keep evolving our machine tool product ranges, ensuring there's a probe available for all applications. Renishaw will be showcasing the new RMP400, a compact, high-precision machine tool probe with radio transmission. The ultra-compact RMP400 is the latest addition to the rain gauge family of high-accuracy probes. This probe is particularly suitable for use in small and precise 5-axis machine tools. The RMP400 delivers the same unbeatable 3D performance, ultra-low trigger force and sub-micron repeatability found in all of our strain gauge probes. The probe's radio transmission uses frequency hopping spread spectrum technology, enabling reliable communication between the probe and the interface, even in high-density RF environments. For more information about RMP400, go to renishaw.com/rain gauge.